Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to make Dalgona coffee at home. This will be a simple tutorial for frothy coffee. That's right, if you want to have some frothy coffee, this is a video for you. Let's get right into it. I'm going to do this in real time. There will be no cuts, no edits, so you'll know exactly how long it takes and exactly what I'm doing. Now essentially what you need are equal parts of the following three ingredients. You need equal parts instant coffee, sugar, and water. Now you can use hot water, cold water. It's kind of up to you and what your preference is. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 1 teaspoon, okay, one nice rounded teaspoon of instant coffee. Just like that, place it in there, okay. Now, I'm going to put that to the side. We are also going to get 1 nice rounded teaspoon of sugar. Okay, let's get a nice rounded teaspoon like that. Put it in there, okay? Place that to the side, that's what it looks like so far. And then 1 nice teaspoon of water. Okay, now the amount of water that you get, it's up to you, but we have 1 nice teaspoon of water. Okay, the more water that you put in there, the thinner that the mixture is going to be. I'm going to add just a little bit more. Okay, I like it to be a little bit thinner. If you want it a little bit thicker, use a little bit less water. Okay, now what you're going to do is very simple. You're going to whisk this together using a whisk. Now you can use a hand whisk, just like this one right here. That's going to take you probably about 5 minutes, I would say. Or you can use an electric whisk, just like this one right here. So I actually have this electric mixer, and I'm just going to turn it on. We're going to just mix this together, okay? So what's going to happen is it's going to end up being very light and frothy, okay? So as you can see, I'll show you in just a moment. If you look at where it's mixing right here, it's already significantly lighter. We're going to crank this up. And the good thing about using an electric mixer like this one is that it only takes, it's very quick. So I'll show you. Just hold on one moment. You can literally see it brightening up. Now, a lot of tutorials that I've seen, although they're great, they don't show you the whole process. So you can see right here where it's mixing is already a lot lighter. Okay, crank it up again. You see that? Look at how much lighter it is. Check that out. So I'm allowing you to see how it's actually getting a lot brighter, okay? Now, you can also use, some people recommend using double the amount of each of these ingredients. That's up to you. I like it this way, but it's up to you how much you want to make, how strong you want to make it. Let's continue. We're almost done. We're almost done. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at how delicious that looks. We're almost done. Just maybe, I'd say another 30 seconds to a minute, and it'll be good to go. Almost done. And I'll explain what the last step is, which is very simple. All right, look at that. So now you can start to see, look at how thick it is. Look at that. Look at how thick and frothy that is, okay? Look at that. All right, so we're good. Ooh, looks delicious. We're gonna have that in a minute. Now, essentially, the more that you use, the easier it'll be in terms of not having to scrape off the sides. I had to scrape off the sides because there's just a little bit in there. I only put 1 teaspoon of each. So now what you're gonna do is very simple. Just gonna come over here, grab my stuff. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get a glass. Okay, let's move this to the side. Sorry about that. This is not, as you can tell, a professional video or anything like that. This is an at-home video. This is how I do my videos. You're going to add in a few ice cubes, okay? So we're going to add in a couple ice cubes. I mean, it's up to you how many you want to add in. I just like to fill it up just a little bit, just like that. We'll do one more. I like a nice iced coffee. So once you've added in your ice cubes like that, you're going to pour some milk in the glass, okay? Now remember, the more milk that you use, the sort of thinner that it's going to be, right? So I've added in that much milk. I don't know how much it is. I always fill the glass like halfway. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get a spoon Some people are like taking it and like dropping it on there, but that I just like, just get the bowl. Here, let's adjust the camera. We're gonna get the bowl, we're gonna just essentially just pour it right in there, okay? So we're gonna get the bowl like this, and check this out. We're gonna scoop it. Now look at this, oh, look at that thickness. That's so good. Oh, wow. That's great. So you're gonna get this, you're gonna just sort of plop it in there. I don't know if that's the correct term, if it would be a plop. That's like that, maybe like that, like a plop, a dollop of the cream, I guess it would be. You're gonna get it right in there like that, okay? And then what you can do is you can sort of even it out, spread it out. Now remember, the more instant coffee that you use, the more caffeine is gonna be in there, so it's kind of up to you. I like to do it like this. Some people use more. I don't know if that's just because it looks cooler or because they like the drink, but I will say, in my opinion, this is my favorite way of making this coffee, of making Dalgona coffee. It looks amazing. It's very simple. It is absolutely easy to do. And we're talking about, this literally takes like a few minutes. Now, is this slower than making like just a quick coffee in a mug? Of course, but it tastes a lot better. It's a lot smoother. I like doing this for my afternoon coffee, but that's it. Simple tutorial on how to make the coffee. Just look at that. And when you taste it, it's gonna taste amazing. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.